So this is video 2 of the Amazon Mechanical Turk / Google Surveys / whatever service product you want to build tutorial. Here we're focusing on the Google Surveys version of it, which again, just to recap, is people come to pay you to go and survey other people for them, right? So we created our ship page on Product Hunt, and it looks something like this, right? And this is, again, the gateway that we're going to use to gather our customers. Now, to actually receive the requests, we're going to create a type form attached to Stripe. And the reason why we're doing that is so that we can, again, take in whatever question they want to ask, right? The survey questions that they want to ask. We can take those in. We can actually make them pay for it, put their money where their mouth is, because if people aren't willing to pay for it, then you know that your service isn't really that valuable. And it's really quite easy. So I've already created a new Stripe account here. As you can see, you can go to stripe.com. I just skipped the sign up process to save you some time. But once you sign up for Stripe, you don't really have to set anything up. You will have to set up your bank account before it's all over. But this is just to show you what it looks like. You don't have to worry about all this stuff. It can look a little bit confusing. So just wanted to show you that. Then you have to create what's called a type form. So you can hop on over to typeform.com. So you can see up here in the URL, you can type in typeform.com, or you can just Google it, typeform. Once you sign up, you'll land on a page sort of like this, and you can create a new type form. I've already created one here for you. You can just hit start from scratch when it asks you to select a template. So just to save you some time, I've already created this form, and all this form is it's very simple. I added a question and an email capture. So since we are building a Google Surveys clone, right, the first thing we would want to ask people is, hey, what is your survey question, right? What do you want us to ask 100 people on your behalf for $12? And then they'll type in their answer. Then we take in their email so that we can contact them and send them their results. Finally, you're going to have to add payment. And this is where Stripe comes in. So I can hit payment here. Now, it will prompt me to use the Pro version of Typeform, which costs $30. So it's not that much, but you will have to do that in order to receive payments. So I'm just going to hit Try Pro for free right now. And it's going to prompt me to connect my Stripe account. Now, the thing is, since I just created my Stripe account, I don't have my bank account information in there just yet, but you will have to fill this out. And I'll leave this out of the video just because it's a little bit tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. Once you fill in your bank account information, you can receive money, and you don't have to write a line of code to start receiving money, which is amazing. So, fill in all of this information, and once you're done, we'll reconvene for the next video.